Hello, how are you? My name is Kenyatta Weathersby. I'm a professor of mathematics and statistics. I need your help. I'm writing a book to help and to assist math teachers to create better, relevant, better engaging, and application based curriculum for our students. I am so tired of seeing teachers teaching that 19th century pencil and paper, not engaging, boring mathematics and statistics for that. I first noticed this when I graduated from college. I began shortly to teach in the neighborhood that I grew up in the same community. And I saw the phenomena that I call pencil down. Well, what is pencil down? That's when students spend the whole class with their pencil down. So what happens? They get kicked out, they get in trouble, they don't graduate, they don't pass classes, they end up failing. So I began to figure out, well, what can I do to make these students pick their pencil up? So I began to create relevant material, incorporate computers, cell phones, anything that I can get my hands on, getting outside of the classroom, anything that we can count, whatever was relevant for them. And I began to see result after result after result. And so after 8 years of teaching high school, I moved on to college and I brought the same curriculum with me. So in my statistics class for the last 4 years, we've been using the Flint water crisis of 2014 as our basis of statistical learning. So anything that we need to learn, as little as the median to the confidence interval, even hypothesis testing, we're using the Flint water crisis as an example. We know the lead levels in some of these homes. And so the questions that we have, they can be answered. I'll even have students bring in their water from their home. And if I asked you, bring in the water from your home, you know what? You'd probably do it too. Why? Because you want to know what's in your water. Even not too long ago, I began doing the E. coli lab, not in a science class, not in a chemistry class, but in a stats class, in a math class. I read an article that said 1 out of every 6 cell phones is contaminated with E. coli. Very easy lab to perform. You just swipe a phone with a cotton swab, you put it on a petri dish, and 24 hours later, you can check to see if it's in E. coli. My students love that. Why? Because they want to know what's on their cell phone. Shortly, even before the coronavirus hit, we found a lab that a student wanted to do to see if hand sanitizer actually works. Very easy, very simple to do in a math class. And therefore, students are coming to class. Students are engaging. Students are even doing this as distance learning. So I need your help because I do not want to see so many students failing math. Because of failing math and because of their boredom in mathematics, when they graduate, they cannot articulate. They cannot get those jobs. They cannot do presentations. And me and you both know everything is about data now. Everything is data driven. I want you to be able to look at an article on the website and you can tell right then and there the authenticity. How was the sample taken? What are the rules of engagement? Were you able to make a generalization statistically? So help me to help the teachers of America to do better because we can do better. And as my mother used to tell us, if you know better, you'll do better. Thank you.